Hi, today I'm going to be reviewing this Amika straightening brush. This is the Double Agent 2-in-1 straightening brush. I think it's the new one. I just kind of wanted to let y'all know what I'm doing. So yeah, here we go. Here's what it looks like. I just plugged it in. This is my second time trying this out. The first time I did it on damp hair. This time I'm gonna be doing it on, like, my hair is dry. I'm probably just gonna get it like a tiny bit wet just to brush it out, but pretty much gonna be doing it on dry hair this time. You can do it either way. You can do it on either damp or dry hair. They just say don't do it on soaking wet hair. So let's get it. The nice thing about having the ponytail in all day, the top of my hair is really stretched out, and I feel like anytime you're straightening your hair, being able to use less heat and get it as stretched out as possible first is key to minimal damage. I'm trying to just get it damp enough that I can get out any tangles. I did have it detangled after I shower, but you know how it goes when you have your hair up, it always seems to get little tangles in it. So here we are, hair is nice and brushed out. And then it has 3 settings. The first one is if you only want to dry the hair. The second one is to dry and straighten. And the last one is just to straighten. Since my hair is a little bit damp, I'm gonna just do the dry and straighten. I'm gonna use just this Tresemme heat protector. And then I'm probably just gonna speed through this part because it's gonna be not as loud as a blow dryer, but still a little bit loud. Last time I realized it's best to do pretty small sections at a time. So I have half of my hair done. It's been 16 minutes. 16 minutes, boo, and half of my hair is done. The reason that I point that out is because usually when I give myself like an at-home blowout or a straightened hairstyle, first I will blow dry my hair, which takes forever. It helped that my hair was already mostly dry. It's like 99% dry because I just added the spray bottle. It just takes me so long to blow dry my hair, and then my hair is this big once I'm done blow drying it, and then to go in and flat iron on top of that, it just takes forever. So I'm just like, really, I'm impressed that this is 16 minutes in. It took me like 11 or 12 minutes to do this side. So it's just crazy how fast it is. And I mean, granted, it like does need to be touched up a little bit. Some of this in my part is not exactly down the middle, and my rat tail comb is in the other bathroom. So I don't have acrylic nails on right now. So let me see how I can fix that real quick. I'm just brushing it out, and then it's like 25-26 minutes worth of process so far, which still blows my mind because it takes me like an hour and a half to get my hair straight usually. I'm gonna touch it up a little bit just using the thermal setting with none of the air blowing. lowered my camera a little bit so you guys can see my whole hair. I just want to show you guys. I will say like my main area of concern is the roots. Like, yeah, so it's like you can tell, whoa, I don't know what's going on with my light balance. But you can tell that the roots are just like not, I would say like the roots are like the only issue that I have. But you can touch that up at the roots. What happened to my lighting? Okay. However, if I were to put on my flat iron, I feel like it would literally take 5 to 10 minutes to just touch up those areas. So I'm really happy with the straightening brush. The number one thing I'm happy with is the time factor. This is gonna save me a ton of time. I would be happy to cut the time in half from what I normally spend making my hair straight, but this did more than cut it in half, so that's huge. So that's a huge deal for me. I can't stop playing with it. I also would say too, after you're done, add some oil to your hair. I'm gonna add some of the Curlsmith oil blend, but make sure that you add oil after you're done using heat and not before, because you don't want to fry your hair. You just want to put some kinkiness and some moisture back in, you know. It's available at Sephora. It's available at Amika's website as well. I'll leave a link below in case y'all want to try this. I would say like another big benefit of this to me is I feel like it's less damage for your hair. Not only are you spending less time, which obviously less time working with heat is going to equal less damage, but it's not as hot as like my flat iron. Like when I'm flat ironing my hair, I can't even touch it because it burns me. It's like 400 and something degrees. I don't know how many degrees this is, it doesn't say, but I can still touch my hair right after I've gone through it. I did give myself like a mini burn on my chest with it the first time that I tried, hence why I've got the high neck shirt on this time around, but it wasn't a burn, like it just hurt, but it didn't really stay there the way if you burn yourself with a flat iron, you're gonna have a mark and it's gonna stay there. So it's definitely like, it's hot enough to hurt you, but it's not as hot. So less heat, less damage. And this is without me even going over it with the flat iron, and I'm still super happy. The last time that I did it, I did notice in the morning I had to touch up a little bit, but yeah, I recommend it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, comment, like, follow my Instagram, and yeah, ciao.